Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Fireflies AI completely free in 2026. We'll go through setting up your account, recording meetings, uploading files, and using AI-generated notes without paying for a subscription. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, head over to Fireflies AI and sign into your account. If you're new, creating an account only takes a minute. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, if you want Fireflies to automatically join your online meetings, you'll need to connect your calendar. Open Settings, then find Calendar and Conferencing. From there, authorize your Google or Outlook calendar. After that, Fireflies can automatically join supported meetings and generate transcripts for you. There are two simple ways to use Fireflies for free. The first option is letting the Fireflies meeting assistant join your scheduled meetings automatically. The second option is uploading an existing audio or video file. Just click Upload, choose your recording, and wait while Fireflies creates the transcript and AI summary. Depending on the file length, this may take a few moments. Once processing finishes, open your meeting to explore everything Fireflies generated. You'll find the complete transcript, an AI summary, action items, speaker labels, and searchable notes. You can also search for specific keywords, leave comments, or share the meeting with teammates. It makes reviewing long conversations much faster. The free plan includes several useful features. You get up to 800 minutes of storage, AI-generated meeting summaries, limited AI credits, support for uploading recordings, and access to many popular integrations. So if you're just getting started, the free plan is usually more than enough. And that's how you can use Fireflies AI for free in 2026. I hope this guide made everything easy to follow. If it helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.